name is Jana. I am from Charlotte, North Carolina, and I am currently a consultant at Lowe's, and I am here taking a timber framing class. I had a great experience. It was a lot of fun. I came in never having worked power tools as much. Like, I do drills and a little bit of sawing, but never used any big, super dangerous power tools. And I'm coming out knowing how to use everything. I know the safety of everything. It's just been a complete safe place to learn. It's just an experience you don't get everywhere. So this is my first time camping, but it wasn't solo because I had all of my classmates with me, which made it fun. I got to meet a lot of different people of a lot of different skill sets. We do bonfires, we jumped in the creek, we'd sit in the creek every day. We roasted sausages, and we brought like tons of food to eat together. So overall, it just built a better class dynamic, so it's been a really nice experience. If you are having any doubts at all, just let that wash over you. Go ahead and throw yourself out there. You're going to meet people that you are definitely going to want to connect with afterwards. We've already traded all our contact info. We're going to keep up with each other. It's a really great risk to take. You're not going to regret it. It's a great opportunity.